Okay, so if you're a FPV pilot, eventually you're just going to fly your quad in the tree and to a point that you won't be able to get it back. It's either too tall or too steep. So in this video, I'm basically going to teach you how to make a long pole, like homemade long pole for you to get your quad back in one piece from the tall tree. Okay, so after research, I woke up early next day, went on my car, went to the local nearest Home Depot I can find. And basically, I found it at the, I think this is a cleaning aisle. You can get the 24-inch pole. Okay, so this is the one we want, just to make sure. Yes, this is the one, and it's about $53. And we also got some ropes, just in case we need it. And the most important, you're going to come to the tools aisle. You want to get a hook like that. And then dump everything back to the trunk. Let's rush home. Okay, remove everything from the trunk. And then you're just basically going to remove the little film thing, the little tag. And then you are going to basically duct tape it. Just make sure you tape as much duct tape as possible, just to make sure that it actually stays like really solid. It does not move the hooks. So with the hooks, you can basically try to do a little bit more like shake the tree a little bit harder, so you can see that we're just actually going to start doing it. Okay. The hard part is like sometimes you just don't know exactly where the quad is at, so you might need to just rock a lot of places. So after a long while of trying, my quad actually fell from the tree, which I wasn't able to caught on camera, but at least I got it back. All right, let's head back to the bench. Okay, so we're back to the bench right away. So we're just gonna give it a test to make sure it actually works. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's see if it still actually powers on after one night sitting out there. I think it should, but okay, so it is working. Next thing, let's test to see the motors to see if it actually spins. If it actually spins, then it should be working. Let's just give it a try. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, so motors are working, so this is good. The next thing, let's test our VTX. Okay, I hope it actually works as well. Okay, yeah, it's functioning. So yep, this is a good day that we are able to cheat that for this one. Okay, so this is a recovery successful. Perfect.